I'm quicker than that gun.
This is the most chemistry Davo's done in his life.
My head as a person,
1 to 10.
negative 61.
What's up, boys?
So great. Hey, Gregory.
Well, boys, read it and weep.
Modified exhaust.
That's it?
Amplify.
Oh, he made it not a correctable violation.
It's an infraction.
What a piece of
What you gotta
shit.
do?
You're lucky he didn't give you a thing. State ref ticket.
Yeah.
Well, boys, Greg got a ticket for loud exhaust. I told you it's loud.
Bro, yes, I'm quicker than that gun. Okay, right. By the time your arm goes, grabs the gun.
So, okay,
you're
hold on.
already halfway across the ground.
Okay,
Look, okay, you give me this much space, right?
Bro, you're not listening.
We're talking.
If we're squaring up, I am not using my hands.
You're not gonna know when I square up, bro. When I square up, it's gonna pop. Done.
Bro, you will have 3 perfect shots to your liver right here.
You won't have
Right
time
here.
to get those shots.
Oh
Listen.
my god.
He just keeps talking, bro. He doesn't want to let me talk.
So you can shoot faster than I can do this.
Okay,
And this
look,
is
that
practice.
took a long time before you got
That
up.
took 1.7 seconds.
Okay, sure. Put it back, watch. Put it back. Put it back. We're talking, right? Arguing.
Okay, but if we're arguing, I told you, it's not face to face. Why would I come this close?
But you don't know when I'm coming up to you. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Yes,
Stay
I do.
6 feet apart.
Bro, I just came up
6
to you
feet.
6 times.
The only time I've been very close to somebody is when you punched me when I was like this to you holding a 6'5" guy back. And you punched me in the face.
Cut that out, Todd. I was drunk.
The time when there was,
I was drunk, and the guy was like this big, bro.
Exactly.
You're only
I will
taking yours
shoot
in.
you, you will die, and
You're
I
not
will win.
listening. No, you're not.
Oh my god, bro.
And this is the scenario that's most likely to happen.
Okay,
Ever. I'm not just saying.
Where are we
against
at?
you,
Where are we at
it's
right
not-
now? Where are we at right now?
Okay, we're at
We're at
left.
save one,
Okay, same one.
right? And then you bump your card into me, right? Here's your card. Take
Okay,
your card.
look.
No.
You're not gonna grab your gun, bop, 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 right?
Take your card. I'm doing my card thing, right? I'm pushing my card into you, right? You come and bump into me. Yeah, like, I'm like, oh, my bad, because I'm not confrontational.
Why'd you bump my card?
I'm not confrontational. I'll say
I know
my
that.
bad.
If you're not, then
My
I
bad,
am.
alright, my bad. Well, I'll move out the way. What are you gonna say?
Don't f***ing do it again.
Okay, my bad.
Watch your station about what's gonna happen in the
Go
fight.
ahead. What the hell
He's saying he can punch my face faster than I can shoot him.
Bro, he's saying everything that's beneficial to him.
How
His
far?
scenario.
Bro, this far, me and Nautic.
Yeah.
He's saying he can
He's
punch
not
me before I can
listening.
shoot him.
Okay, the best way to prove this is not swing at
Look, okay, look. Let me on my card.
swing at
You got
him.
dummy rounds on you or no?
You got any snap caps? Hot, swing at him and let him pull his
want
gun
my
out.
gun?
Pull your gun out, unload
We
it.
did it like 7 times.
Oh.
You want my
Who did it
I can
first?
unload mine too.
Did you shoot him though?
Bro, guys, what about you?
Hey, but Hotch ain't shot yet, so technically he won.
I won.
He hasn't pushed me.
You haven't shot him yet.
Come go!
Ah!
Durun bak çare skejden bak olsun ediyor. Yer kalkacak bani peçete.
hasta biz. En bez durar.
Bu vizo sam spetkam.
Bro, you step back.
Ahbel, let's see.
Damn, boy.
That's what I said.
Okay.
Alright, you're right. I'm wrong.
No, you're right too.
No,
In that
you're
scenario,
right.
you're right. But you're not boxing, bro. You're standing there.
You're at a club.
What are we doing, Mr. Armand?
Deep cleaning.
What is that? It looks like a butt plug.
Nobody else can put
Especially made for you.
Oh, okay, okay.
Bro, you yourself look intimidating. Nautic doesn't. Mudhead even looks intimidating. Nautic doesn't look intimidating. Neither does Greg, neither does Armand, neither does Huddle.
What?
Todd looks intimidating.
Todd, look at me real
You got psychotic anger issues, that's why.
You are.
I think you move, it's not gonna go through. If it hits my camera and falls, I'm gonna you up. How about go secure the camera then? I don't know.
Or
Oh, wow!
That was very anticlimactic.
The anticlimactic is strong with this one.
That pissed me off.
when I sit.
What the fuck is that?
You know what's crazy? Hey.
Oh, that's what this was doing.
Roger was held by faith the whole time.
Get back to work, bro. What you doing?
That's what he was doing for like 30 minutes. I'm like, what's this little taping? It's my freaking DeWalt drill bits and shit like that.
Way more than that.
Way more than that.
Well, you're gonna have fun finding your phone.
My charger.
What do you come on, make it make? There's that. You gotta point everything out.
Well, you have to.
There's a shirt
my
here too.
phone?
Huh? There's a.
The fucking phone.
I'm gonna ruin our own joke.
Oh my god.
This is a joke.
I guarantee you guys are the ones calling it.
Oh, happy birthday, surprise!
Surprise!
Oh, you had to put multiple pieces of tape? Oh my god, he put black tape too.
Happy birthday to you.
I wonder what it could be.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Go yourselves.
How many times did he call you?
27 text messages.
It's not your wallet.
That's my wallet.
Oh, it's not.
Start running.
Well, I had nothing to do with
You
this.
better get out of here quick now.
I didn't do it.
Go ahead, Ozzy.
I'm telling you, if I did it, I would be running. I
Why
didn't
aren't
do
you
it.
running then? That's the suck part, man.
Because I didn't do it.
There's electrical tape
It's
on
all electric. Shut the f up. Don't act like you don't know.
I swear I didn't know
I
what
thought
that
it was just the blue tape.
Is your girl gonna see this?
Probably.
Wish she bought it?
Yeah.
Cut.
There's something over there on that wall behind.
A new car! Thank you very much. I don't know why Osh gets so
I just want to point out, I'm innocent.
What do you have to say? Is it you?
Bro, check the cameras.
I died last round.
Yep, you gotta put these blue things up there. Is that blue or purple?
Are you
Blue?
colorblind?
Yeah. Mildly. Very mild.
Rate him?
1 to 10. 9?
9.6.
Oh wow. Todd, what are you gonna rate him?
Todd, what'd you call
Go ahead, as a person.
1 to 10.
Negative 16.
Suck my
Damn.
Hey, you're number one now.
Yes!
Todd, what do you rate it out of 1 to 10?
9.7.
Oh, he got higher than mine. Damn.
Oh shit. Damn.
Anything's higher than mine.
Mine's a 9.969.
does not look good at
Ah, 6-9.
Keep the change, filthy animal.
Better
Todd,
than mine. Alright, hold on.
rate Greg.
Now we're on.
Don't even
I
rate
got
it. Negative 63.1.
Oh shit.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the drop.
Don't worry.
Owimboe, 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 Owimboe. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps in that nose. Honestly, it's a pretty successful day. We put the suspension back on, rotors, pads, wheels are back on the car. We are rolling it out currently. Actually, I'm not doing anything. We're rolling it out so we can assemble this new toolbox right here. Just got these bad boys right here from Costco. Should be big enough
Whatever's trash.
to fit
Can
this
you guys
fat
take it
ass
to your
nose
house?
inside
Yeah,
right
yeah,
there. That nose ain't that bad. Nose ain't that bad, but that gut's astronomical. I can sell water to a fish. I can sell nose surgery to this guy. I can sell liposuction to this guy, and some manic depression pills to this guy. You need new eyebrows. I need a better hairline. I'm not gonna lie about that. My girl will pay for that one though. His hands look like this. So my hands gonna look like this.
Can you shut the up for a second, please? We're gonna go ahead and put together the new toolbox that I got.
I still don't get why you bought a red.
What? Dude, what color is this? For those who don't know, Jude is colorblind.
Deficient.
Colorblind.
Deficient. There's a difference.
Colorblind.
Hi guys. So he doesn't snap on too much.
Alright guys,
bought
these
a
idiots
Snap-on.
over here are pouring acetone on foam and experimenting with chemical reactions and shit. This is the most chemistry Davo's done in his life. We just bought a brand new
No, we bought a snap-on toolbox. We're gonna
Snap-
slap on a
Mac-
shitty Harbor Freight sticker.
Mac Tools toolbox.
We're back in the business, fellas. Like, comment, subscribe.
Hit the
to
bell
see more.
notifications.
Hit the bell notification button over here.
The button's right here.
You can put it anywhere you want, right?
Okay,
Click this if you want to see Muhead more. Click this here if you want to see Jude more.
Can we do a
Click
poll?
this one here if you want to see me.
No.
And click this if you want to see Alma.
And then click the
And then
middle
click
if you
this
want-
right here if you want to see more Todd's videos.